This is a brief overview of the methods and procedures sections. The participants were 20 teachers from a private school in upstate New York for students with autism and special needs. There are over 200 students in the school, ranging in age from 5 to 21. All teachers have technology integration as a goal for professional development based on a school-wide initiative. In order to ensure that there was a representative group from a variety of years of experience at the school, stratified random sampling using years of experience ranges was used. This study is a mixed method action research study using mostly qualitative data. There will be at least 2 cycles of data collection and professional development sessions. The data collection methods used are as follows. A pre- and post-survey will be given to address attitudes and beliefs related to technology integration as well as purposeful uses. The post-survey is the same as the pre with the exception of several additional items. The technology integration scale will be included on both surveys as well. Action has been taken to ensure survey reliability and validity, and results will be triangulated with the individual interviews. The surveys will be analyzed separately and compared using mean responses and graphical representation. The interviews that are conducted will take place with each participant prior to engaging in the dual PD model. It will allow the researcher to dig deeper into the ideas presented in the survey and will allow the teachers to identify specific goals they hope to achieve as part of the study. The interviews will be recorded and transcribed, with participants offered the chance to review the transcripts for accuracy. Results will be triangulated with the survey findings. Document analyses, including lesson plans and shared equipment sign-out sheets, will be conducted as well. They will take place before and during the study to see if there is evidence of technology integration and purposeful uses in the lesson plans, as well as an increase in the signing out of the shared technology equipment. Several collaborators will work on the document analyses to ensure reliability, and this information will be triangulated with evidence from observations. The observations will take place at least once during the study in order to examine any instructional shifts and changes in attitude and beliefs related to technology integration. Findings will be triangulated with the document analyses to ensure that the lesson plan is an accurate representation of classroom practice. Observation recording sheets will be used in order to record what technology was used and how it was used in the lesson. Information will also be used to plan future professional development sessions with that specific participant. Focus groups will take place at the end of the study. At least one focus group each participant will take part in. The goal is to find out which components of the PD model were either effective or ineffective as related to attitudes and purposeful uses of technology integration. Sessions will be recorded and transcribed for accuracy, and the initial interview data and focus group data will be coded and analyzed to identify major themes. The data will be triangulated with the pre- and post-survey results. A sample professional development session may look like this. Following the survey, interview, and initial document analyses, teachers will begin engaging in the dual PD model, focusing on a topic of their choice that will be discussed in the interview. An example of this may be a teacher desiring to learn how to integrate smartboard technology into instruction. The researcher will work with the teacher in their classroom to develop and teach pedagogically connected lessons using the smart technology. The teacher would then be given a set of video tutorials to view prior to the next situated meeting. These video tutorials will introduce or review concepts related to the technology that will be then placed in context. Tutorials for this case may include how to include the Smart Exchange to find lessons to enhance instruction. The next PD session will begin with the teacher having the knowledge they need to then move into connecting these tools to their instruction. The number of PD sessions will be dependent on the needs of the participant. This structure will be similar for all teachers, but the content will be widely individualized based on needs and goals that will be discussed in the interview. The researcher and collaborators will observe lessons at least one time during the study and triangulate those observations with the document studies. Again, this is just one possible example of what the technology integration PD may look like, for this case using smart technology and smartboard in their instruction.